Disabling two-factor authentication on Gmail can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, find the security tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your account's security settings. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. Scroll down to the signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Turn off two-step verification. On the two-step verification page, you will see a button that says Turn Off. Click this button and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-step verification, take a moment to review your security settings. Ensure that your recovery options are up to date and consider other security measures. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Gmail account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other protective measures.